life was a mess, but I could clean my room.
Welcome to my room decor series. So in this series we're gonna make some DIYs for this corner of my room. So this is part 1.
So I have this fabric that I actually bought it to make a dress. But no, not anymore. We're gonna use this as curtain. Simply cut the fabric into 2 equal parts. Fold it like this and sew along. I hammered the nails, measured the yarn and put it through the fabric. Then I simply attached the curtains and added bows. And ta-da!
Let's turn this into this. So in the last part we made these bow curtains. So in this part we're gonna make something out of this transparent slab. This is actually a part of an old fridge. I printed out a bunch of these from Pinterest, bought these stones. Start by cutting the printouts. I cut this into a heart shape and took this one page from an old book. Start by adjusting all the things and then I taped everything down. Putting the stones as frames, and it turned out so much prettier than I expected. I also added a bow cause why not?
You all must be wondering what I'm doing here.
Part 3. Today we're gonna make something inspired by these. For that I have this old frame, page from an old book, a lip tint. This is all you need for this DIY.
Simply paste the pictures and pages according to yourself. Now take your lip gloss and apply it and give some kisses. After giving the kisses, you just have to frame it